So, uh, 2:46 p.m. ET, 6th of December. How is everybody doing? Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but I thought that this week should go up a little bit to 250, but I can see here it's not good. It's a clear rejection, clear rejection at 246 level. 246 level yesterday, it came down like Niagara Falls. Again, it gets stuck in the morning in first 15 minutes. It was total rejection. It came down. It went back up. I was kind of little optimistic. Maybe it might go through this rejection, and but I was wrong. It's a clear rejection now. But anyway, sometimes the next day it goes up, but there is very few chance. I can see at this moment it's a clear rejection. It's the market is going down. Market gonna probably go to 231 again. And after 231, what's gonna happen? It's really hard to say. It will fall below 231 and go to 210 or 12. I don't know. Let's see what happens. But right now, it's a clear rejection at 246 level. Let's see what happens.